Raw Instrumentals.
Yeah. Bitch.
Real trap shit.
I said it's hippie nigga. All these hoes, they know my name. And what the fuck you think I'm smoking on? Yeah, that propane. Most niggas wanna talk shit, but these niggas walking on with a bad bitch. Best believe we stay blunt sparking. If a nigga wanna try me, yeah, that 40 get the sparking. Get the dumping in his little ass. Watch him get the running. Oh shit, he taking cover. I think he calling 5-0. So you know I hopped in my truck and then I hit the fucking stove. You know me, nigga, I don't give a fuck. If the police run up on me, then I'm hacking the nut. I go crazy on every beat. These niggas wanna talk down on these fucking streets. Nigga, why you talking shit over them fucking beats? And everybody know that your ass is fucking weak. Lame nigga, I be in the cut, hell yeah, I catch a stain, nigga. Niggas wanna talk shit, but we stay paying niggas. I'm a goon, a savage, you know I got it tatted. If a nigga wanna chop me, fuck 5 with that magnum. RP my nigga, man, cost life in this bitch.
Damn,
6
son,
miles go
where'd you
down,
find
you never go
this?
crazy and shit. Yeah, it's hippie nigga, bitch, you gon' know my name. I said it's hippie nigga, hell yeah, you know I smoke propane. I smoke regs too, so really nigga, fuck what you say. I smoke only green shit, so get the fuck out my face. Little nigga, calm it down, bitch, you don't pull triggers. Why these niggas talking shit when really they the hoe, nigga? I heard these niggas, they be snitching. Most niggas, they be talking. Pillow talking to these hoes, they get you laid up in a coffin.